Your next laptop might not run Windows, it might not run macOS, and very soon it might not even run ChromeOS, because Google is quietly building something that could completely flip the future of personal computing. For more than a decade, ChromeOS has been Google's attempt to challenge the two operating system giants. And sure, ChromeOS has always been fast, lightweight, and secure, but it never became the global standard. Windows still dominates every laptop shelf, and Apple continues controlling the premium space. So instead of releasing small upgrades or cosmetic redesigns, Google is now doing something much bigger. Something disruptive. They're merging ChromeOS and Android to build a completely new operating system called Aluminium OS. And no, this is not just a new launcher, not a custom skin, and not another Android tablet UI. Aluminium OS is Android at the core, rewired to behave like a full desktop operating system, with real multitasking, proper file management, full window control, deeper hardware compatibility, and a unified ecosystem across devices. Android already runs almost everywhere: phones, TVs, smartwatches, cars, and even XR devices. It's the most widespread operating system on the planet, but the one place it never fully succeeded is laptops. That gap is exactly what Aluminium OS is designed to close, and the signs aren't rumors, they're confirmed. Google job listings literally mention work on a new Aluminium Android-based OS for laptops and commercial computing. Even better, at Qualcomm's Snapdragon Summit, Google officially confirmed that Android is coming to PCs. Behind the scenes, testing is already happening. Aluminium OS is running on Qualcomm Snapdragon chips, MediaTek Companion processors, and even Intel Alder Lake systems. That means this isn't limited to cheap student Chromebooks. Google wants support for entry-level machines, mid-range systems, and premium flagship laptops. This time, Android isn't dipping its toes in the laptop market. It's going all in, but here's where everything gets even more interesting: AI. Aluminium OS isn't just being built with AI features. It's being designed around artificial intelligence from the ground up. Google Gemini, their next generation AI model, will be deeply integrated, not as an app, not as a plugin, but as part of the operating system's brain. Imagine this: your laptop automatically summarizes documents, organizes files without being told, translates languages offline, suggests edits instantly, searches using context, not keywords, and understands what you're doing before you finish doing it. This shift means the laptop evolves from a passive machine into an active, intelligent assistant. Now the obvious question: what happens to Chromebooks? Based on internal documentation, Google won't shut ChromeOS down instantly. Engineers refer to two versions, ChromeOS Classic and non-aluminium ChromeOS, which suggests there will be a transition phase. Some modern Chromebooks may receive upgrades. Older hardware may simply reach end of life. But the direction is clear. ChromeOS was the experiment. Aluminium OS is the future. And now we hit the big unknowns. Will Aluminium OS feel more like Android, or like ChromeOS with Android power underneath? Will it replace desktop apps with Play Store apps? Will premium Android laptops finally rival Windows and macOS? We don't have those answers yet, but we do know the timeline. Google is preparing the platform for launch in 2026, likely tied to Android 17. And if Google succeeds, the entire laptop industry is about to change. So here's the final thought: the next time you open a laptop, the startup screen might not say Windows or macOS. It might simply say Android. The countdown has already started. Stay curious, stay ready, and make sure you subscribe, because what's coming next might reshape the device you use every single day.